Have you ever wondered why some investors are more successful than others? Well, let's imagine a tale of two investors. The first investor is a jack of all trades. He's got his fingers in countless pies, trying to scoop up as many opportunities as he can. He's constantly on the move, jumping from one investment to the next, hoping one of them will pay off. On the other hand, we have the second investor. This investor is more like a master of one. He has carefully selected a few promising investments and committed himself to nurturing them. He's not constantly seeking the next big thing. Instead, he's focused on making the most of what he has. Now, who do you think reaps more benefits? You guessed it. The second investor, with his laser-like focus, often comes out on top. As we can see from our story, spreading yourself too thin can mean missing out on lucrative opportunities. Focus is key. But focus alone isn't enough. Ever heard of the phrase, patience is a virtue? Let's dive into the world of investing to see this virtue in action. Picture two investors. Investor A is quick to react, selling his stocks at the first sign of market fluctuations. On the other hand, Investor B holds firm, patiently waiting for his investments to mature. Investor A might see some quick returns, but the constant buying and selling can lead to a roller coaster of gains and losses. Now, let's look at Investor B. By patiently waiting, he allows his investments to ride out the market's ups and downs. Over time, his patience pays off as his investments grow steadily, resulting in a higher return on investment. This story illustrates a key lesson. In the investment world, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a strategy. Indeed, the investment world is not for the faint-hearted. Patience can often be the difference between profit and loss. So we've learned about focus and patience. What about discipline? Picture this. There are two investors. The first one is constantly swayed by the latest trends. He jumps from one hot stock to the next, always hoping to ride the wave of the next big thing. But his portfolio is volatile and his returns are unpredictable. Now consider the second investor. He has a well-researched strategy and sticks to it, regardless of the market's ups and downs. He doesn't let fear or greed dictate his decisions. Instead, he relies on solid research and a disciplined approach. His portfolio isn't as flashy, but it's stable and consistently profitable. This tale of two investors illustrates the critical role of discipline in investing. It's the anchor that keeps your investment strategy steady in the turbulent sea of market trends. As our final story illustrates, discipline can be your greatest ally in the unpredictable world of investing. Remember, focus, patience, and discipline are the three pillars of successful investing.